She's smiling like she used to smile way back then. She's feeling like she used to feel way back then. They tried, something keep them waiting for this magic moment. Oh, maybe this time it'll be love and they'll find. Maybe now they can be more than just friends. Oh, just back in his life, and it feels so right. Maybe this time love won in. Dili lalim magyaw-yaw sa mga bata. Stressing out ni ma'am before going home. Naapaday nabili na tong tingo gamay. Thanks for watching, guys.